Truth, how's it look? We got miles of tunnels down here. But what's the descent like? This rubber dinghy will venture off into the unknown, into the flooded parts of the mine. You going on your belly? Yeah.
Wow, this is absolutely insane. Touching the side. This is insane.
What is up, fighters? It is another day and it means another explorer, but do I have a treat? Another underground explorer. We have another underground. What the hell was that? You see that then? Like a big bat went flying past there. We have another underground explorer to do. This is an old mine, similar to one of the mines we've done in the past, but this one is absolutely massive. I've seen some photos online. This is not open to the public. You can't just go willy-nilly in here. There's all kinds of stuff. And you already know, I have brought a rubber dinghy. Why have we brought a rubber dinghy?
Because you're a dingus, that's why. No, because we're about to go into some flooded mines and we're going to go sailing like some old underground pirates like people.
We need rum. We need rum, people.
I'm designated driver, bro.
Taking my gas detector in there, so you already know I bought this with a Patreon donation, so we're definitely going to take this in.
Welcome to IL's Intelligent Voice Gas Detector.
What country did you order that from?
Yo, when I got it, it took me about 4 hours to take it out of Chinese, because it was in Chinese. It was like Leo Ma, which is actually hello, how are you in Chinese, by the way. So this is doing a reading, it's calibration, checking what it's going to be like on the surface here, and then we'll check what it's going to be like underground. So what it's saying here is hydrogen 23.5%. Hold on, let's have a look here. Okay, so these are the readings here. You've got oxygen 20.4%, lethal combustible gases 0%, 0 on carbon dioxide, and 0 on H2S, which I think is hydrogen.
Where does it sense? Show me.
Here, these 4 pots here.
So, hypothetically, if I were to say, put the propane right over it, where's the combustible gas? Oh, it's going up.
Is it?
Oh,
yeah.
Please. Flammable gas concentration.
Now that's good. Hey, attention on that. Oh!
What did I do? Okay, percent is going down, so it's telling us get out of it.
See, so it is legit.
It works.
It's £90, £90, but we got it going. So yeah, so oxygen 20.4%. The rest is at 0. Lethal still saying 4 because 3. It's going down. So we've got to keep an eye on that. We'll wear that throughout the mine and see what results come back.
Oh, you guys ready to get cold?
Cold?
Freaking ice cold in there.
What is it? Let me turn this light on then.
It's cool.
Yeah, they got some cool stuff here.
Oh yeah. Big winch.
It's an active building, so.
Let's make a move.
Oh wait, no, I don't have footage on you because I deleted it.
What the hell is this? This is the way in.
Yep.
Is that the way in?
Yep.
For this manky carpet hung up.
Moment of truth. How's it look?
Oh yeah, see what you mean about cold. Oh, it is cold. Interesting to see what the readings are going to be on the gas meter as we get deeper underground. Actually, no, I don't. I need to tighten my thing up. Just grab it again. Right, stick it under now. Hold on, just pull it out a sec. Just pull it out a sec. Right, stick it on my back.
You know, the audio to shit, if there was no footage, would be fucking horrendous.
Yeah, I know.
Pull it out and put it on my back. Right, there you go.
Right, I'm ready. Finally ready.
Cool, let's do it.
Let's go. Right, that was nothing dodgy going on. Literally, Andrew's just sticking the rubber dinghy underneath my rucksack.
That still sounds awful.
Stick that rubber dinghy on my back. So do we know actually how deep this goes underground, or?
Mate, we got miles of tunnels down here.
But what's the descent like?
I don't actually know.
Because I know we're going down. We've been going down for a while.
It varies.
Time to crouch down now. The roof's getting a lot lower. Wow, I'm actually touching the roof. Is it like this a lot?
No. It varies. Some parts are low, some parts are high.
Just don't fancy walking around crouched down all the time. Right, we've come to our first junction. We can go right. Again, it looks like it's going further down. Super slippy. Right, we're going left. Down here. Look at this. It's like an old winch of some sort. Dear Burr. What the hell? Dear Burr, I visited your home. It was dark. I had to wear a helmet with a light on. There was a lot of water. Did you have a good holiday in Canada? How was your family? From Lucy? Little Lewis. What the hell?
I have no idea. I don't know if they're talking about the animal, like a bear living down here, or if a man went by the nickname Bear. And I don't know why they would leave a letter in the mine.
That's weird.
It is weird.
That's not the kind of thing I want to find here.
A bear?
Well,
I don't think there's bears in England, though, is there?
a children's letter.
Are there bears in England?
Oh yeah, we have mythical bears here.
Mythical bears?
Yeah, have you ever heard of Yogi Bear?
Yes.
Yeah, he lives here.
Yogi Bear lives here. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, as long as it's him.
Yeah, I think he moved out of that Yellowstone Park.
To this mine.
Yeah.
Upgrade. Well, I'm just saying, right? If there's no bears, wild bears in England, he must be talking about a person.
Don't know.
But who would live in a mine named Bear?
Bear Grylls.
Yeah, Bear Grylls. That's who it is. He's
Do you reckon?
here. Probably. Bear Grylls probably. This is his second holiday home.
Oh, okay. That's not a bad shot actually. Bear Grylls. Okay. Right, I see. So this is all flooded.
It's not super deep though.
Yeah, I'm just a bit worried about catching the bottom of the. It doesn't look deep, but it's because it's so crystal clear.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
I wonder if we can sail down there. Take this rubber dinghy and venture off into the unknown, into the flooded parts of the mine. I'm going to switch over. I've got my GoPro on. I'm going to switch over to the GoPro, but I'm probably going to keep the audio from this just because I've got the waterproof mounting on. So I know the volume isn't too good when you put the waterproof case on. So let's venture.
Are you going on your belly?
Yeah. Right, push me out. Oh. Please say that didn't work.
I need. I need to go a bit more. There we go. Oh, it's cold.
Ease off.
I need a paddle. I don't have anything to paddle with.
Grab a paddle, we were looking for one.
Do you want to use the glow stick?
I'm trying to.
Do you want the other one?
Yeah.
Danny, go on.
Just chuck it here.
Good catch. Is anyone alive out there? I'm on a mission.
They have cavefish.
Don't know, I was thinking about that.
Oh no.
Am I being wedged here?
What?
No, it's because I've got hold of them.
Oh, let go of it.
Okay. It was your fault.
Bro, that's a rope line, dude.
No, it was your
That's your
fault.
fault.
It's fine, guys. Don't worry about it.
Wait, do you want me to tie my rope? Because it is literally a whole ton longer than that.
Guys, it's just asked us to shut the boat.
Correct. Well, let me grab my rope out the bag quick. No, you're not coming back yet.
360 club.
Oh, dude, you're beyond saving now. I'm sorry.
Okay. See you later.
I can chuck you a rope.
No, I don't think I can stop this now.
Don't get sucked down some mad old. We'll never see you again.
Well, it goes back miles over there.
Legend says. And it's still.
Yo, there's a rope of some.
It's a little way.
Oh.
Danny's in.
Are these all light torches waterproof?
The what? Yeah, they're waterproof.
Oh, that's cold.
Screw it with you, you're already wet. I'll wash in a bit. No, it's fine. Dan's lost.
Danny's going into the unknown.
Wow, it's quite scary down here, I'm not gonna lie.
Will he come back alive?
I accepted. If no one say you
Just pass that right there, Andrew. Are you alright there, over here?
Well, I've just managed to push myself. Wow, this is weird. Wow, this is absolutely. Oh, whoa, that's absolutely insane. I'm touching the sides. This is insane. This is one of the craziest things I've ever done. I don't know how well you can see this guys, but it's insane putting the torch in the water like that. It's so cool. Oh, come to a crossroads. Oh wow, you can see there's frost on the water. What scares me a little bit is what could be down here. Boys, I'm just kind of floating around down here. Kind of worrying. Yeah, it does. And it splits off as well. I know.
Right guys, we was talking about trying to get down. But we have told him not to pull the way off because as you can see it's connected to that log. Maybe we should pull it. This will collapse on top of us and it is already spinning there, and you can see and a part of the formation there is overfill. So we don't want an accident, but it really looks unsafe. If this was to collapse now, there's no way Dan would be able to come back.
That was a good adventure. My arms are numb, but it was fun.
My feet are actually burning.
Really.
That's how cold it is just getting it in the boots.
Terrible, mate.
I'm not gonna lie, it was super relaxing just floating down there. But I got paranoid because I was at that crossroads down there, and it honestly, when I was floating back up here, it felt like there was something behind me. So I was like panicking to try and get back.
What, really? It felt like something was behind you when you sailed down there?
Yeah, like when I got to the bottom, of the crossroads down there, because it was so silent, and you guys were up here, and I was coming back, and there was just blackness behind me. It just felt like there's something behind me. Like, do you know when you know that feeling when you go running up the stairs? You know, you're walking up the stairs and it feels like something behind you. Well, that's what it felt
How
like.
fast did you try to paddle out of there?
I scraped all my fingers on the walls trying to get out.
I need to find a way of getting down there.
You're positive you don't want to take a GoPro.
I'm positive.
Right.
I'm not moving anywhere. What is it?
You are turning. Now if you can pull back and jump off and boost yourself off the rocks behind you, that's your best bet.
Really?
Yeah, you're heading for it now. Any second you'll be at them. And hold on, give it a second. Make sure you got a flat foot on it. And 3, 2, 1. You're gonna get a blast off. A blast off. Land ho. Boom. And away you kind of go. Do not lose that fucking camera. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying to see it. He's literally balancing it on the edge of the boat.
I found the glow stick.
Alright, be very careful not to pop the boat in there.
Whoa.
Oh, this is tense.
Oh shit.
Use the roof to push yourself back out. Or Olivia, you want to pull them out? Alright, now it's perfect. Pull them out. You're about to hit the side of the wall. No, you're good. You're good.
Right, we get a photo of me, please.
Yes. We'll take a couple. Got some good ones?
Yep. Pull me in.
Got some decent ones.
Well, that was a good float.
That sounds so enthusiastic. Am I the only one that honestly freaked out all the way?
Yes.
It was fun.
I mean, bro, I've been through the car kit, which turned out everywhere.
Going down random ones.
Let's see where these go.
Yeah, because I've seen 4 different split offs so far.
That's my bag. To another flooded area. But we'll just have to get there and find out because I have no idea what to expect. Oh, great. Danny, you want to grab this end of the boat? Just while I try to traverse the...
No road.
Wait, what?
Says no road.
Watch you don't slip on them rocks, they are slippery.
Alright, I got it.
Thanks.
Watch this up here.
You should be good to go. though. Mark the map saying it was fine to go this way.
Right on. Oh wow.
That's what's going on. Mind your head. The walls collapsed in.
Yeah.
The walls collapse, there's a big boulder right there.
Well, it's not taped off, so it's safer than the other bit, apparently.
No, it's not.
Well, can you get a look at that one and see, is it the wall collapse or is that natural?
They put support there though. What's this?
Barely.
Oh god, that support looks awful.
Yeah, no, we're not doing this way. It's too dangerous. Turn back.
Definitely.
Right, so this is the
Oh wow.
way we're going to decide to go this time around.
I've just come through some little narrow passage. So we're now going to find out where it leads. Apparently there's some ladders in here somewhere. We have to watch it because we could end up getting lost. So I've got to be really careful.
The arrow to O is down there. And O and A.
We've got markers on the wall, so we should be alright. Just what way we're.
Should we turn right?
Right or left, boys?
Do we go A or do we go O? Wow, they're both that way.
Something's telling me this way. Right.
Yeah, let's try this way.
Basically, for those watching, the reason that this tunnel does have potential to be haunted is an old slate mine that was built back in the 1700s. It stopped being active in the 1960s. Basically, a lot of people have died in creating this tunnel. And I've just heard some stories online about this mine. And just the odd sounds and creepy things that have happened to explorers.
A is that way. And then guessing O. Ah.
Seen that big crack in that one?
Yeah. That's what it's like in on the ground here, Area 51.
Looks really dodgy, that, doesn't it?
Yeah. Don't bang it wherever
Oh,
you
there's
do.
water. Dead ahead.
What is it?
Yeah, let's go check it out. It's gonna go in harder than what it was. Yeah, it's so deep. Let's just have a look first. I think it gets bigger at the end. Right, so after discussing, we're going to try the only other direction that's left. Stop. Alright, after discussing it, we're going to try the only other direction that's left and see what's down this hall. Just so you guys get an idea. It's really low.
All the old water mains that used to take all the fresh water, and how rusty and corroded it all is. It's so oxidised. You can pick chunks of the metal up and crush it in your hand. Look at that, that's metal. Look at this big chunk of metal right here. Just crunch it like it's bark. That's cool.
It's mental, that, isn't it?
Yeah, so oxidised. So guys, that was just a little bit of fun tonight. We wanted to come and get some practice for the boats because we have a special video coming up where we are actually floating through the underground, through a secret city still buried under the earth that not many people have seen. Well, very, very few people have seen for a long time. And we're going to take one of the dinghies, maybe 2 or 3, and a group of us down into the underworld via boats. So it was a bit of a practice one tonight, and plus we love the underground mines and stuff anyway, don't we? So anyway, I was joined by Proving Demons. You already know, Exploring with Danny. Go and check my links in the description below. If you didn't already, like the video, subscribe, click the bell. It's a new option now. There's 3 bell buttons. There's notify never, personalize, and always. Click the always. I'll just show you a diagram then. Click always, then you can join my live streams, because if you don't click that, you won't even get notified about my live streams. That means no giveaways. You'll miss the giveaways. You don't want to miss the giveaways, trust me. So yeah, guys, we are calling it a night. So anyway, yeah, go and check out Proving Demons, Explore with Danny. You already know. Until next time, guys. Peace. Peace.
Sorry.
To be fair, I haven't needed to use it other than that one time, so.
Bro, this is nothing if you want to do the Underground Air 51. That was scary. This is a walk in the park compared to that.
I didn't get that.
There's people asleep there. So here it is, Gates of Hell.
This makes the tale of
Oh, wow,
a
look
lot
at
of
all-
people dying in here more believable. Look at all of this. This is all paraphernalia.
Needles. We gotta watch our footing. It looks like some out of Ghostbusters, it really does. It looks like slime, you know. Oh, I've never smiled anything like that in my life. Bro, it's time to get up. We got movies to make, bro. Let's do this.
Fucking literally awake for 2 seconds and you scream in my fucking face.
Bro, that was classic. Right, so Andrew, where the hell are we?
We are just outside Plymouth City Center, and we're about to go to a place known as the Dark, or as some call it, the Gates of Hell. Right, so overall, this tunnel is so massively long. It goes on forever. It's a little nasty at first. You're going to see syringes and some really gross stuff. But once you get in, past the point where people like to go, it gets quite massive. And I've heard stories that once you get really deep in, you start seeing like the inner workings of the city, the things we're not supposed to see. Legend also says that many people have died in these tunnels. It's quite haunted. It has been active. Noises, voices, lights, the whole shebang. So that's one of the reasons why I'm here today.
So I can already smell like a funky smell, like it smells like sewage. What is it? Is that coming from there?
It's because right next to that, it's going to get worse. It's going to smell like rotten eggs in a minute. I have checked this place out once before. There are 2 pipes. One is the sewer pipe right at the bottom of this. We're not going in the sewer pipe though.
Okay, good.
But yes, there is a sewer pipe right there.
Well, this could be the end. Heading into the Gates of Hell, into the inner workings of the Plymouth City, seeing the foundations of what it was built on, the subterranean creatures that could live down there. More people.
We'll catch one on camera one day. Just you wait.
All right, let's go.
All right.
That wasn't too bad, Andrew.
I almost pulled a muscle.
That wasn't too bad.
Pulling.
Yeah.
You what?
A big thorn just got me in the finger. Boo boo. Stop crying.
That's a big ass thorn.
Oh, it smells so
Oh.
bad.
Oh my.
Swamp there. That smell you're smelling is human. It comes from humans and it's rough.
Oh.
God.
Actually, oh.
Where's that mask? Where's that mask?
Yo, if you went near there with the sensor, with the gas detector, it'd be going crazy right now. Yo, there's people asleep there.
Fine, we're just gonna go past them.
Bro, there's people asleep there.
We're going past them.
Was there an opening? Oh no, there's not. No, there's no one asleep. I thought there was people asleep here. But it's where they lie down and chill out at night. Obviously, homeless people. So here it is, the gates of hell. The dark, the gates of hell. I don't know, they both sound really creepy, to be honest. Into the underworld of Plymouth. Apparently, not many people venture down here because, well, the stories are that it's super haunted, all that kind of stuff. If you believe in that, don't know. But we are here to explore, document, and see the cool history down here. It's something I'm really looking forward to because apparently the deeper you get, it's going to take us maybe a couple of hours to get that deep, but the deeper we get, the more of the inner workings of the city, the ancient city, we see. So welcome everyone to the gates of hell, the entrance to the secret underground city. That's the title right there.
Indeed. Yeah, you got yourself one. Right, try not to touch anything.
Not touch anything, why?
Not until we get deeper. Oh, right. Last time I was here, this was all water.
Okay.
Still, don't touch anything, just for safety, until we get further in.
Why?
The needles.
Needles. Okay.
Not there, but they're in there. There's a lot of needles.
Right, okay.
So just be careful.
Another danger to watch out for. Oh, it stinks.
I'll get back to you guys when we get to something cool, some kind of landmark.
Oh, it stinks down here. Not even gonna lie.
It didn't stink the first time.
Why does it smell so bad? So that's something else we gotta watch out for.
There's some syringe stuff there.
Alright, yeah, see. Yeah, we gotta really watch out with our footing in here. That's just another added danger. What is up, fighters? Today we are heading underground again. I know there's been so many underground episodes. I hope you're still enjoying them because I mean I do. Do not worry, Japan is very very soon. Literally, I'm in Japan right now when this is dropped. In a couple of episodes, I think the underground season ends and it's onto Japan season. Japan is awaiting. Hope you're ready. But for now, we are heading under here. I want to say a massive thank you to all the channel members right now. If you haven't become a channel member yet, definitely consider. It's like $4.99. Click the join button. $4.99, £4.99, something like that. You get to join the channel. You get exclusive badge. Everyone knows you're a part of the family. You get exclusive merch. You get exclusive discount codes. You get exclusive other stuff. It's definitely worth it. And you're contributing towards the channel, towards the cause to create amazing content for you at home. And you already know, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, click the bell, always notify, super important. Otherwise you miss my live streams. And you know I'm giving away all that merch on live streams. By the way, if you haven't already, check out the new merch. Here it is in the screen. You need to go and get that. That is the sickest merch yet. I don't even know if I've sold out by now. I know I was doing pre-orders. I'm not sure if it's sold out. If it has, maybe some more is coming in a few weeks. Keep a watch.
I wonder what stuff like this was for. It's always interested me, like these little gaps. Was this ever used as a train track? Well, I don't see no soot on the ceiling. That's the only thing. What? Right, we gotta watch out, guys. Spoon for the needles. A lot of heroin stuff going on here. Needles. We gotta watch our footing. This is why it's super dangerous to come places like this. I mean, just look at that.
Now, the fact is, guys, and this is this makes the tale of
Oh, wow,
a
look
lot
at
of people
all-
dying in here more believable. Look at all of this. This is all paraphernalia.
So one thing I will say about this place is obviously they were getting junked up, needles everywhere, but they were also playing bingo. I've seen a few bingo markers, so they were getting high and playing bingo, I guess. Oh, look at it all there. It's absolutely disgusting. I mean, why would you want to come and sit in a dark, dingy tunnel like this? It stinks, guys. I'm not even joking. It smells like rotten eggs. Oh, I don't know. I just don't get it. It's just everywhere. Needles everywhere. Oh, they're just everywhere, bro. It's not good us being down here. Look, there's needles everywhere. There isn't an inch of floor where there's not a needle.
I'm guessing these tunnels are super haunted for the reason being when we first came in, quite a lot of there.
Wow, look at that. Again, I don't know what. I think it's something to do with the minerals in the rock. I don't think it's sulphur. I mean, it would explain the rotten egg smell. So the stories go that a lot of people have died under here for obvious reasons, heroin overdoses and whatnot. So that is one of the stories why this tunnel is so haunted and the underground is so haunted here. I'll leave that for you to decide. Obviously, I document everything I find. I'm not saying this is real. I'm not saying it's not real. We're just exploring together. It's amazing. Look at this. The build-up on here. I'm not sure where it is, whether it's just calcium, lime deposit, I don't know. But this, I don't really want to touch it, but it's solid. It's rock hard. It's absolutely amazing. All coming off from the street. No one else find that cool as hell. It must just be me. It looks like some out of Ghostbusters, it really does. Looks like slime, you know, just... Well, we are in the underground. Hopefully we don't bump into any Igor, ruler of Octavia or whatever he is. He used to always scare me, that guy. God. Right, so we're walking and we see daylight. Don't think it's the end of the tunnel, it must be a manhole or something like that, but the smell just got extraordinary down here. Oh my God. Oh, I've never smelled anything like that in my life.
That is strong. Guys, it completely smells like very, very, very strong sewage down.
Yo, no, that's sulphur, that. Aye, that's sulphur for sure.
It does smell gassy, doesn't it?
Whatever you do, do not light a cigarette down here.
I won't, trust me. Oh, the smell is indescribable. It's the worst one smell you could ever imagine. Wait, is the smell starting to go away now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Not entirely sure what this is yet, but it appears to be the end of the tunnel.
No, that will take us into the underground sewer system. I mean, we could go down there if you want. That'll take us even deeper underground, you know.
You know how bad it smelled over there?
Yeah, I know.
I don't even want to imagine what it would be like. Okay, why is it making that humming noise though?
That's water rushing through it. Sewage rushing through it, that.
Really?
Yeah.
So we're standing over a sewer pipe.
Yep. No, we're standing over a sewer river.
Yeah. And this is water feeding into it.
I can't even explain how bad the smell is. Yeah, it's because of the water rushing through. It'll be a vacuum.
It's fart gas, man. I don't know. Can you look in it and see if it's worth going down into it? That's a lot of poop. Oh fuck. No, you can't get in there. It's just filled with feces. Let's keep off of it. Let's see. Maybe we can take
You've got all this engineering, all the brickwork to make the tunnel, and then you've just got this. You've got the alcove and the natural rock behind it, and it looks amazing. It glistens almost. But I want everyone to say a big congratulations for Andrew for taking us into the smelliest sewer system in Plymouth. Well done, Andrew.
You were very welcome, honestly. People were telling a different story online. I'm actually about to go online and find out what the deal is.
What time is it?
3.
3 o'clock, and my video's just gone live, and my phone's... Oh, wait a minute, phone's in my bag. Suppose I could reply to people now. Yeah, I like to spend an hour replying, you already know. Right. Right, so I think we're just going to not go back through this way and try and find a way out this way, because, I mean, it was a little bit disappointing, but I'm going to add it anyway because it's all part of the journey. It's all good history. It's not. We actually thought this was going to take us underground, but there was another tunnel that took us further deeper, but it's apparently been knocked in and filled over, so on to the next one.
This is so going to be somebody's backyard, isn't it? Well, people have come up here before.
Do you reckon?
I don't know. Let's find out.
I'm going to be falling asleep in your car though.
How the hell am I supposed to find this? All stone in it.
Yeah, it's going to be hard, isn't it?
Bro, let's just walk through the fucking tunnel.
Looks like we've got to go back through the tunnel, got to go back through the smell, the sewage, just the dirt. I'm looking forward to just getting food later on. The gates of hell, literally the sewer of hell. So glad to be out
I
there.
see why it's called the Gates of Hell now.
I'm so glad to be out.
When you said the gates of hell, you weren't lying.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Sulfur and brimstone, that's what it smelled like, didn't it?
Alright, thanks bro, thanks for that. Appreciated. Everyone, yeah, high five Andrew. Thank you. Let's go.
Alright everyone.
Very much sarcasm, guys.
Careful, man.
Yeah, I know. I mean, some slippy shoes as well.
Right now?
Bro, have you seen this cobwebs all over this wall?
Yeah. The adventure's not over yet.
Yo, that. Yep. A mess. Yeah, that's where we're actually going. Taking some photos down there. Yeah, a lot of tunnels. Good history down there. Yeah, there's a lot of hidden history down there.